This is diet and nutrition coach Ashley Hubbard, and in today's video I will teach you about weight loss diet food plan. I'm going to give you some diet tips that I have which can help you create a diet plan for weight loss. So if you're interested in learning about how to create a weight loss diet food plan, then please continue watching this video. This is Ashley Hubbard. I am a diet and nutrition coach. That is me in the center of the screen. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. This channel is all about helping you lose weight and improving your health and wellness. And today I will teach you about weight loss diet food plan. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more advice by clicking the red button below the video, because I don't want you to miss out on any of the videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you enjoy the content, and I will then spend time creating more videos for you. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. 1. Drink lots of water during the day as part of a weight loss diet food plan. I highly recommend that you begin to drink more water as part of your diet plan for weight loss. My advice is to drink lots of water during the day. I suggest you aim to drink at least 10 cups. The simple way I recommend you do this is by drinking a glass of water with each meal that you have, and then a glass in between meals. The reason why I recommend you drink water is because water nourishes your skin, your body, and gives you a sense of being full for a short period of time. And water is also low in calories, which makes it ideal to have as part of a weight loss diet food plan. 2. Find foods that are low in fat and calories but high on nutrition for a weight loss diet food plan. I recommend you base your weight loss diet food plan on low calorie nutrition rich foods. Some of the best food choices available to you include vegetables, fruits, grains and lean meats. To help you choose low calorie vegetables, some of the best vegetable choices you can go for include cucumber, lettuce, spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, mushrooms, sprouts, asparagus and tomatoes. To help you pick low-calorie fruits as part of a weight loss diet food plan, some of the best fruits I recommend you go for include raspberries, mango, watermelon, blueberries, pineapple, grapefruit, peaches, kiwi, oranges, grapes and bananas. If you feel unsure about anything related to your diet, I recommend you speak with a nutritionist, general doctor, or other health professional for ideas that suit you the best. Number 3. Eat the foods you have selected and plan meals ahead if possible. I recommend that you do not skip meals on your weight loss diet food plan. When you have a dietary plan, this makes sticking to a diet much easier, especially if you have a busy life and tend to eat on the run and grab anything at hand. My advice is to try and plan your meals ahead of time for a given day, so that you will generally know what you will be eating. Having a dietary plan helps to keep you on track, keeps you accountable, and helps you monitor the progress that you are making towards your weight loss goals. So my advice is to try and plan your meals as and where you can. Now please don't go anywhere, because I still have some more key tips to give you, but if you want a weight loss program to help you lose weight, I recommend that you have a look at the Bistro MD weight loss program. Bistro MD is a revolutionary diet food delivery service. They deliver healthy, balanced weight loss meal delivery plans to meet your individual needs. Just click the link below the video and it will take you through to the website for the Bistro MD weight loss program. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. I will now give you some more tips and advice that I have for a weight loss diet food plan. Number 4. Keep track of everything that you eat in a food diary, including calories for each item as part of your weight loss diet food plan. My advice is to have either a food journal book or a reliable and trusted smartphone app to monitor and track all of the food that you eat. I recommend you do this because it is amazing how quickly calories add up, and tracking them is the only way to be sure you know exactly how many you ate. Some of the best food tracking apps include MyFitnessPal, WW, Fujicate, Lose It and Chronometer. If you want to look up calories for various foods as part of a weight loss diet food plan, I recommend you use a site like Calorie King to find out nutrition content for different foods. Number 5. Decide on what method of eating suits your needs best for a weight loss diet food plan. My advice is to figure out how you best like to eat food. Is there a food pattern that is shaping the way you tend to eat foods? You can go for a simple eat normally with 3 usual sized meal portions if you like consistency and have the ability to sit down at a table 3 times a day. There is also the option of eating a full breakfast, then eating several small snacks the rest of the day. This is known as grazing. I would recommend you ask a nutritionist or health professional to advise you on which method is best for your needs as part of a healthy weight loss diet food plan. 6. Brush your teeth earlier so you won't be tempted to eat anything else at night. I recommend you get into the habit of cleaning your teeth a little earlier each night. To help you stay away from late evening snacking, this will help you avoid overeating, which can lead to weight gain. If you like to have a nibble, I recommend you have small slices of apple, banana or carrot sticks or anything similar in low calories. Do this until your body learns to not crave food later at night. Number 7. Think lifestyle eating as part of a weight loss diet food plan. Diets can sometimes come to an end, which can be a good thing because we should not spend our life feeling deprived or limited in ways in relation to food. Instead, once you have reached your goal, I recommend you focus on good, healthy eating habits and exercise as part of your lifestyle. This will help you maintain long-term weight loss and improve your health. Lifestyle eating is about embracing a permanent change in the way you eat and the things you eat and keeping this up over a long period of time. Number 8. If you feel that you need extra motivation and help, join an organised diet program for more support. I recommend you consider following a specialised weight loss diet program food service if you feel you need extra help and guidance with a weight loss diet food plan. The most reliable diet program services have worked for many people all over the world, and it could help you too. I recommend them because they can provide you with support and advice which can be very helpful, especially for new dieters. Another reason why I recommend a weight loss diet program service is because they can offer you healthy, well-balanced meals which are customized to your needs. They can also offer you reliable and effective ways to track your food intake, keep you motivated, and give you access to the best dietary advice that is helping countless numbers of people worldwide lose weight. So, if you want a complete weight loss program to help you lose weight, I recommend that you have a look at the Bistro MD weight loss diet program. Bistro MD is a revolutionary weight loss diet food delivery service. They deliver healthy, well-balanced weight loss meal delivery plans to meet your individual needs. Click the link below the video and you'll be taken to the website for the Bistro MD weight loss program. The website link is at the bottom of your screen now. I want to recommend the Bistro MD weight loss program to you because it has helped hundreds of people worldwide lose weight and get healthier. And I would like you to follow this program so that you can improve your health and achieve your weight loss goals quicker. I recommend you take the time to check it out. Click the link in the description box below this video for more information about the Bistro MD weight loss program. Thank you very much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed that. And please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? Please let me know in the comments section below the video. Let us know what you like best in this video in the comments below. Please connect with our Facebook community. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your success in losing weight. Have a great day. Thank you.